Hey guys, it's Sophia. So today I'm going to be installing a part for my Frigidaire stove. It is the F31 part. It's a sensor. So one day I was trying to bake and I noticed that the stove kept coming on and off. It would turn on and it would turn off. So then finally a code popped up. It said F31. I Googled it. I found out that it's a temperature sensor. So I took it out and then I found the code here, the part number, and then I ordered it. So now I'm going to install it. So stay with me. So thank God for my socket set here. Open it up. Got all the pieces. Nothing's missing. So it's actually going to be this one here, the Stanley, with, I want to say that, oh, the size that I need is actually already on there. It's the quarter inch bit for the socket set. And there you have it. The oven is now working.